Welcome to the B.A.D project. Thank you for the support. Thank you for supporting yourself by starting the B.A.D operation. For more information on the B.A.D operation, head to the website, thebadproject.com. There you're going to find a couple of links for the what it is and how-to pages, and you'll be able to download the B.A.D operation for free. Once you've downloaded and printed the B.A.D operation, you're going to have a physical copy of the instruction manual and the task sheet that you're going to need to use every single day in order to complete the operation. Day one, you're going to get your journal. You're going to add your name, the date, your starting weight, and you're going to set a diet for the program. Then we're going to move on to selecting your first task. Selecting your first task is really easy. You're simply going to choose one of the 10 items that we have on the task list. Once you've selected what task you're going to do, you're going to go perform the exercise or the item on the list. Once you've completed your task for the day, you're going to grab your journal. You're going to write down the tasks that you've added, the tasks that you've completed. You're going to write down a journal entry of anything that you want, and then you're going to sign your name. Day after day, as you complete the operation, it's as simple as adding a new task from the task list, working progressively from left to right, adding repetitions to each task. Either way, whatever you select for each day, you have to maintain daily as you work through the program. In order to complete the operation, these tasks and journal entries need to be completed each day. If you're unable to complete them for any reason within that 24-hour period, you have to reset at day one. Day 100, if you've made it this far, you'll notice that your task sheet is now full. For the next 30 days, you're going to maintain these daily tasks. And the point of this is to prove to yourself that you can uphold the consistency and discipline that you've worked so hard to create. At day 130, you've completed the operation. Now it's up to you to maintain the lifestyle.